Hello, Miss Golden Girl, and I would like to say Happy Thanksgiving. It is the morning of Thanksgiving, and I am getting ready to get the turkey in the oven. Only thing I have to do is to bake this turkey because my daughter is doing dressing. So these are the items that I'm going to season the turkey with. I'm going to stuff the turkey with these items: orange, apple, lemon, bell pepper, green bell pepper, celery, and onion. Also, I got my seasoning here: onion, garlic, black pepper, poultry season, sage, salt, and some flour to put in the cooking bag. I will bake the turkey in a cooking bag. Got my roasting pan. All right. I will be back when I get this turkey all baked up here. Okay, Miss Golden Girl, on Thanksgiving morning, I'm getting ready to fry, do the fried corn in the crock pot. So I got my oil in, I got my butter in, and melting it. I'm going to cut up green peppers, onion to go in it. Here's the corn. This is the corn that my granddaughter and I shucked earlier in the week, and I cut it off, and it's been in the freezer. And I got so much. First, I normally cook it in my electric skillet, but this is a lot of corn, and so I decided I'm gonna try the crock pot. Stay tuned. Hey, the turkey is done. Pushing on it, making sure it's nice and juicy. Those vegetables and fruit that I stuffed it with keeps it nice and juicy. So what I will do, once it cool, I will debone this turkey, and I'll have a pan of white meat and a pan of dark meat. Ooh, I sampled the corn, and it tastes good. Look at it. I'm cooking it in the crock pot. Now, I Googled this, and they call it in the crock pot buttery corn. So I guess that's what I'll call it instead of fried corn. But I'm looking good this morning on Thanksgiving with my dishes that I am preparing. I had a schedule. I did the homemade ice cream. I prepared the custard. The next day I froze it. Yesterday, Wednesday, I did the ambrosia salad and I did the pecan pie. So I need to prep my ribs, and I'm going to take them over to my daughter's house to grill. I'm aiming for the ribs to go on the grill about 10 o'clock. And I got some time. We're having dinner at 4. Okay, Miss Golden Girl here, and I have the ribs on. Look at my daughter's grill. Master built. Ooh, this is some grill. But I got my meat on. It should be ready maybe about an hour, 12:30. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is my first time actually grilling on her new grill. It's too sophisticated for me. She had to make the fire for me. It is a process. Ooh, my ribs are looking good.